Brother makes color printing easy and affordable for your business. Use Brother Genuine Replacement toner cartridges for cost-efficient output. Helps you spend less time waiting for documents and more time focusing on your business. Brother delivers business-quality output for presentations, correspondence, reports, proposals, and more. Automatic duplex printing helps save time and paper usage. Fast scanning and 50-page capacity auto document feeder helps minimize scanning time. Adjustable tray for letter or legal-sized paper. Easily handle alternative media print requirements, including envelopes. Add optional trays for expanded print capacity. Ideal for high-volume print environments. Help cut down on the time spent refilling for those high-volume print jobs. Help save time with up to 48 custom shortcuts for complex and frequently used document workflows. Makes scanning easier and faster. Scanning directly to popular cloud services and other destinations is quick and easy. We give you connectivity choices. Wireless printing from a variety of mobile devices is perfect for on-the-go workgroups. You can restrict access to color printing to help control print costs. Keeping sensitive documents and data secure is a top priority for any business. For years, Brother printers have consistently been winning awards. That's what At Your Side is all about. The smart choice for your document workflow and imaging needs.